Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you the tool that I could using that can help you to warm up multiple Twitter accounts. So here is my tool that I could using to manage and using multiple Twitter accounts. So first of all is account management. So in this function you can add and manage unlimited Twitter account you want. Okay, so next to auto warm up your account, I will go to account direction, and here so first I will select the account I want to warm up, and next I will select the script. The script I already add in my tools, so if you don't have the script and you need to make a new one, you will need to choose a script and make a new script by choosing a script. And in here you can choose many type of interaction, like about interaction personal, interaction with follow, interaction with tracked, interaction to community or a site. In each option you can choose many interaction type. You can choose read notifications, scroll new feed, like post, repost spot, bookmark, and you can choose it and make a script that you want. And after having a script, you should need to choose it and press start and let the tool warm up your account for you. So here you can see on screen the tool will auto open browser like this, and each browser is an account and will warm up your account with a script that I already make it in the tool. Okay, so basically just show you a tool can help you warm up multiple Twitter account that you want. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need tutorial or more information, you guys can comment my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation tool.